So today's August 18th, and we're reviewing on the left the Adratic, and on the right we have a Kadota or XL. I don't know which. I believe this is the XL, not Kadota, because I had Kadota before. It was a little more juicier, and obviously one of my kids ate one, so we only have half a slice left. It doesn't look pretty at all. It's quite a medium size instead of a large size over here, so it doesn't look attractive at all. And it has a thick skin right here. So it's a simple honey. Seedy. I don't like. Now we go over to the green Adriatic. Oops. I just cut it, and it looks so juicy, syrupy. Very, I can't pronounce. It's the Kadota. It's very sticky. It's very jammy looking right there. I have two. One is at this peak ripeness, and then a second one is a little more ripe. So I want to see if there's a difference in the flavor. So I don't eat the skin. Skin's rough, and it really hurts my tongue. But it has pretty thin skin compared to the Kadota or XL over here. And it's very concentrated jam, raspberry jam. So once we go over to the more ripe Adratic, let's see if there's a difference in flavor or something. Quite nice. Less acidic for some reason. Maybe when it's more ripe, the acidity goes down, or maybe it's more sweet. Who knows? But we have the winner for today is the Adratic. This is why, even though Kadota or XL, they're simple to grow here in our climate, it's just so boring that we want to work on the late ripening Adratic varieties. It's worth growing compared to something you put in the ground like this, and the flavor is just boring. This is a little more ripe, you can see. Has to be a better flavor, but apparently it needs to be this ripeness to taste better. Still, it's a simple sweetness. Doesn't make me feel excited at all. So I recommend the Adratic for this reason.